AirMark, we sell the highest quality OEM Summa blades. The 36-degree double-edged tangential blade is German-crafted from tungsten carbide. Our genuine Summa blades hold a sharp edge between 10 and 50 times longer than cheaper steel blades. The double-edged blade is ideal for thicker materials, such as reflective vinyl, and can cut material up to 0.25 millimeters thick. This blade is compatible with the Summa tangential blade holder, Summa F-Series flatbed cutters, and all Summa S-Class T-Series vinyl cutters. These expertly crafted blades are made with the highest quality materials to extend the life of your blade and maximize your cutting performance. Shop our extensive catalog of Summa replacement parts and supplies at airmark.com.